Hey, welcome back. So believe it or not, 24 hours ago, this plane looked like this plane. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. So to start, I just have some basic tools and ingredients. I got a wire brush, screwdriver, some wire wheels, my drill, a couple wire brushes, a small paintbrush, a container with white vinegar. If you're going to do this project, it's best if you can pick up like a gallon of white vinegar, because you're going to use it. And of course sandpaper. So I've only done one of these, and it was the one I did yesterday that you just saw. And so I did that as a learning experience and learned that restoring these is a pretty simple process and only takes, it took me just a couple hours to do it. Probably could have taken me less, but I really took my time. So we're just going to get into it. So the first thing I did was completely disassembled it. So this knob. So I'll take this lever plate off. Have the iron and the chip breaker. This is pretty rusted. So there's a screw to take these apart. Ah, man. So that's rusted on there pretty good. Well, that was rusted in there pretty good. Yeah, this one's got a fair amount more rust than the other one had, so this will be a bit more work. So I just have a container with white vinegar. So just all the parts that will fit inside of it, I'm just going to throw those right in here. So I'll throw this in here too. Take, this is the frog, we'll take this off. This is the adjustment to adjust the blade side to side. I'm going to put this in here, right on the bottom. Get the vinegar all over all the parts really good. So take this red paint off. Take these knobs. And so there's a fair amount of rust down inside here, and a lot of rust, heavy rust down on the bottom on the sole. I like to use this on a plate. Do this, turn on the stuff with wires on it. So we'll take some of this vinegar and get it in here on this rust. I don't have enough vinegar or a big enough container to fully submerge this entire body of the plane. So I'm just going to paint some vinegar on here. Alright, so I have a whole assortment of different wire wheels to use depending on the areas I got to get into. So we have this top area here, we'll see how this works.
Thank you for watching part 1 of the hand plane restoration video series. The next part will be released very shortly. To be notified of when the next video is released, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also consider checking out some of my other videos by clicking on the links. You might find something else you like there. Thank you for watching.